Welcome to iGlam Talks. Yesterday we talked about different types of fear, and now let's come to the real solution. Fear, if you control it, it will never able to control you, but if you deny it, the fear will control you. Very simple thing you have to do. Stop watching these motivation videos, start working on it. If you have a stage fear, start going to the speaking classes, join some classes where you can speak out your heart, participate in such pageants where they pushes you to build your communication. If you have a scared of water, heights or something, you have to join such classes where you can do trekking or you can start learning swimming. If you have a FOMO, things that fear of missing out and you're not doing anything in life, no need to do. Everybody has their own timeline. Your chapter 1 and others chapter 10 is uncomparable. सबके अपने अपने टाइम जोन होते हैं, सबके अपने अपने टाइम लिमिट्स होते हैं. Follow that, accept it. If you have a fear, if you have a fear of obesity, you don't have to be scared. Work on it. Start doing your yoga or gym and change your food pattern. If you are having a fear of people not paying you attention, or if you want to say something, people are not able to understand what you want to speak your heart out, and always remember somebody will be unhappy with whatever actions you are doing. But the important thing is that as a person, what you want to build is to showcase yourself without your fear. And if you really want to grow in life, control your fear, don't deny it, accept it. You have to accept whatever the flaws you are having in your personality or in your surroundings. You cannot change your surroundings, but you can definitely change yourself. Last but not the least, I want to give a message in a very clear way. There are many fears which will always come into your life with your time. At the age of 20, fear something else. At 30, something else. 40, something else. 50, something else. When you are childhood, your fear is something else. बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, डर के आगे जीत है. इस कैप्शन को यूज करके एक सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक कंपनी ने अपना कोल्ड ड्रिंक बेच दिया. एंड दिस इज द ट्रू कैप्शन. इट यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट इन योर लाइफ फॉर योर prosperity and your success. Always remember, there is always someone to help you out. You have to talk about it. You have to talk about your mental health. You just cannot keep quiet. And just because you are alone, you just cannot jump into a relationship with someone you are not comfortable with. You can always do things by your own. You have to select people wisely. You have to make friends who are having a growth mindset, who are not jealous of you, who are always, push you up, not pull you down. And always stay away from the people who always scared you by, people are talking about you or saying something. Stay away from them. Always remember, there is always someone who will always figure out your fear, but there is always someone who will always help you to get out of the fear. Who is that person in your life? Find it out. Thank you so much.